everyone, today I'm going to share you how to import SPSS using the Basic Import SPSS module. Basic Import SPSS is available in MRDCL Central paid license. Basic Import SPSS only import variables as single DS and integer DI. User can get Advanced Import SPSS when they get the MRDCL Central Plus license. Advanced Import SPSS allow user to select an option on how to import the SPSS file, select the output file type, group variables, or multi-add weight variables, and more. In MRDCL Central, press the plus button in the left sidebar. Then select the Import SPSS button. If Import SPSS is not available, please check if your license type includes the Import SPSS features. Then select the SPSS file to be opened. Then press Open. Note, Basic Import SPSS only import variables as single DS in integer DI. Select the created setup file that was recently imported. Then simply select the desired setup file to edit or run setup. You can check out the video for editor setup file and run setup to know more about editor and run setup.